This week on Fly Rod Chronicles, we're traveling out west, and I get to travel with my entire family. We're heading out to do the San Juan Shuffle. We hook up with David with Elite Fly Fishing and all his crew, and we're about to catch some of the most beautiful rainbow and brown trout that New Mexico has to offer. So stick around, this is going to be a good one. Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles. Make it out to northern New Mexico, and we get to hook up with my good friend David Torres from Elite Fly Fishing. You know, we got to talk a lot on the phone, plan the trip, but man, what a genuine guy, and his crew, they're unbelievable. So we're on the San Juan. You know, years ago I got to fish the San Juan, but I never got to experience it with my entire family. Gonna be a lot of fish. Now, let's go meet all the guides. So speaking of flies, so you said we're using like 26?
26s.
Yeah. And sometimes you go up to or go down to a 32?
Yep.
Wow.
Exactly, 32.
And these are all like betases?
Yeah, what we're throwing this morning is little midge patterns.
Little midges? Yeah.
You can see it.
Nice.
They're small and
Yeah.
stuff.
Oh yeah. So we'll be using like 6X tippet?
6X tippet.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yep.
It is.
And something we talked about last night was making sure you have a soft rod.
Yes.
Yeah.
Set real easy, let the fish run, get them on the reel as quick as you can.
Nice.
See, the 6X tippet is 3.75 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
And I do go to 7X sometimes.
Nice.
There you go.
There we go.
Right
on the reel. Nice.
Okay, now just ease off on it a little bit. There you go. Don't worry about the boat. It's made for fishing here.
Yes, sir.
It's got a flat bottom, so you're good. Just don't pull. Just hold the rod steady. Because you get your tip up a little bit higher, like this. Bend your oxygen.
Ooh, that's a tank.
Just raise your arm as high as you can.
Nice. David, nice, brother.
Good job.
Nice, buddy.
That's a good fish right there.
That's
Look at that.
Great fish.
Not bad, huh?
Might helps too. Sometimes I like it.
There we go.
Ooh. Almost high-fived you. They're free, dude.
He's trying to shoot out of there.
Went for a run?
Yeah, he did. Well, he came straight up from underneath the boat. Take my time with this one. There you is.
I think it's on the little hook, unfortunately.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to.
Let a little more line out and try to get that tip. There you go. Now you got a little line out of the tip. Right, she's coming up. She's right here.
She is. Oh, that's a bad play. There we go. Finally.
Nice.
There we go.
Sturdy fish.
That's a nice fish.
All right, Dave, so what do we got happening now?
Well, now that it's the afternoon, it's after lunch, what's hatching more than anything right now is we've got mayflies hatching. So what I want to do now is I'm going to switch over to a root beer or fluff betas, and we'll hit the fast water here. A lot of fish are starting to get suspended on top of the surface more, chasing that emerger up. So it'll be a little bit harder hits, but we'll catch a lot of fish on this little current right here. You'll see here in a second. I'm just going to put some new tippet on here and put 2 emergers on, and we'll go from there.
The San Juan River is a 4 miles stretch of river below Navajo Lake Dam, is a consistent producer of both rainbows and browns averaging 16 to 18 inches, with many reaching much larger proportions. Curtis's daughter, Lakin, will soon figure out that these rainbows aren't giving up without a fight.
Set it.
Woohoo! All right.
Okay, now let them run. Don't hold them hard, Lincoln.
Okay.
Get them on the reel and let the reel take over.
Okay.
That rod will bend hard, that rod.
Okay.
Now let go of the slack and let go. Now get your tip up higher and let go of the reel. Get the tip up higher. There you go. That rod you can bend hard. Bend it. Bend that rod hard. There you go. See?
Okay.
That rod you can bend. Then when you get them up, Lincoln, just raise your arm up high as you can.
Oh,
That's okay.
darn it.
Set it. Now let go of the line. Let go of the line.
Let go.
Now don't pull hard. Don't pull
Okay.
hard. Don't pull. You're just holding.
What do you
it.
mean pull?
Don't pull back.
Okay,
Don't pull
but
back.
I got to keep it up.
Just keep it up. Don't pull back though.
Okay, keep it up.
Just listen. You're pulling it down.
But I got to keep it up, right?
Keep it up.
Okay.
Just let him go. Don't pull. Just hold the
Okay.
rod up. There you go. Okay, now reel a little bit. Reel. And then he pulls hard. You let go.
Okay.
There you go. Now let go. Just keep it up high. Like that. Now reel again. Keep reeling fast. Shh. Okay, right there. Let go.
I'm only listening to Dave. Oh.
You know, it's called fishing, not catching. I bring that up a lot because we can all fish, but catching is a whole different deal, right? Hey, we've all had these kind of days, and I could tell Lakin was getting a little bit frustrated, but one thing I know about that girl, she's a lot like her mother. She's determined, she'll stay with it, and it pays off for her.
There he is. That's a good fish. Look at that big guy. Now reel a little bit. Reel. Now just let him go. Don't pull. Just hold the rod steady. That's all you got to do. Don't pull. You're just holding the rod. That's all you're doing. I'll get him over here in the slower water, see? Don't pull. Now raise your arm up really slow, okay? Like this, raise your arm up. Slow, no, don't pull. Just let him go. Turn your rod to your left. That time the timing was perfect.
That was just right on the money.
Yeah.
That's what I did in that hole up there earlier. Was it Jacksonville? Is that
Yeah,
what they call it?
Jacksonville.
Yeah. I mean, it was bang every time. It was bang, bang. Nice. So rainbow here on the San Juan.
He's on it.
Nope, that didn't work. Pretty man here.
Go up a little bit more. Got a lot of lines, so turn to your right.
There he is. There we go. Nice.
The best way to catch these beautiful trout is through a fly fishing technique known as dead drifting. Dead drifting is when the fly naturally floats with the current without any movement from the angler, mimicking the natural flow of insects and making the fly look more realistic to the fish.
Alrighty. Broke the streak. Not hitting the fish. Yeah. Woohoo! He's still fighting it.
As you can see, Autumn and Dylan are hooked up on a double. This happened multiple times on this float down the San Juan River.
Neither of us were looking.
Okay. All right. See. Thank you. Yeah.
You know, the older I get, the more I appreciate these trips, and I don't take them for granted. You know, when I started the show, I was just on the road all the time. Now being able to travel with my family, these trips mean a lot more to me. You know, my daughters are married. I've got great son-in-laws. I get to hang out and fish with them and my wife. Again, sometimes it's like pinch me, and be able to come out here to the San Juan and enjoy it with the family, pretty cool. So come back after this and we'll be catching more fish on the San Juan.
If you want to experience an incredible trip like we are having on the San Juan River in northern New Mexico, we encourage you to reach out to David Torres at Elite Fly Fishing. He and his guides are world-class, professional, and can guide fly fishermen from beginners to seasoned veterans. To book a trip with Elite Fly Fishing, visit their website at eliteflyfishing.org or call David at 505-608-8543.
Oh, it's a good fish.
Yeah, just take your time. Don't reel up no more, because that way he gets a little bit more tired.
Yeah.
Because what happens if you bend the rod too much, it'll pop out.
It's not.
Now you know why I like the 4-weights, huh, Kurt?
I do. I get it now.
Oh, he's pulling hard. He'll come up when he's ready. What do you think of the San Juan?
Oh man,
You know,
I get it now. I get it.
kind of spoil you. In the water less than 5 seconds to get a fish, you know.
Yeah. It's a good fish.
Is it a brownie or what is it? What is a brownie?
Brown.
That's a
Lakin.
brownie?
Brown. Big brown.
He's almost ready.
Yeah.
He's almost giving it up. Can you raise up your arm high?
Nice, buddy. Hey, that's sweet. Brown Town.
Oh my goodness, I wasn't paying attention again. I was watching Curtis. Oh. He took that one.
The bobber headed to Colorado, huh?
Yeah. It was gone. There we go. Finally. Job, Bonnie. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Woohoo! All right. We got us a brown trout. Woohoo!
As the float comes to an end on the San Juan River, the FRC crew managed to hook into more fish than they can count. From beautiful brown trout to large aggressive rainbows, this stretch of water produced some of the best fishing from this season.
So David, you promised us fish.
Yep, sure did.
I didn't think it would be like 3 digits of fish, over 100 fish today.
Yeah, it was an amazing day today.
Yeah.
You guys did really good.
Yeah.
The morning kind of started with rain and stuff. We waited for a little while, went on the river, first cast, you caught a fish.
Yeah.
Threw it back in there, got pictures of it, threw it back out there, another cast. Everybody's watching us, look at Curtis got a fish, another one.
Yeah.
Then we looked over, everybody's catching fish. It was
Yeah.
a tremendous day.
Yeah.
I mean, you couldn't ask for a better day.
No, and
And
a lot-
quality fish too.
You're right, and a lot of people, they try to get those doubles. At one time, there were several triples.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody in the boat had a fish. All the girls did excellent.
Yeah.
The guys did tremendously good too.
Yeah.
We had a great day. It was,
We know here at the boat ramp, a lot of deals are made,
oh yeah,
and a lot of friendships are
Yep.
made, and I feel like I made a friend for
Oh,
life.
I made a heck of a friend
Yeah.
for all you guys.
Yeah, now
I
you're,
appreciate it.
yeah,
You know,
listen, you,
we did the best we can. We do a good job. We try to do the best, make everybody happy.
yeah.
That's what we try to do here.
So if people want to come and do the float that we did, what's the best way to contact you?
Contact me at eliteflyfishing.org,
Yep.
or you can call me at area code 505
Yep.
608-8543. Ask for Dave.
Man. So there it is. You know, David, he guaranteed us fish. I had no idea that he was going to put our crew in over 100 fish today. What a day. The memories, something we'll cherish forever. Man, we love northern New Mexico, but David, he and his crew showed us a whole different part of the San Juan River, and it was really cool. So, hey, if you guys are planning a trip, get a hold of David and tune in next week for more Fly Rod Chronicles.